Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is the DREO TurboCool misting fan. This is model 765S. It's the latest in a type of fan that decreases the temperature because of the water evaporation in your house further than any other fans ever had in the past. The heat of summer is coming, so this fan can lower the temperature in your room by at least 10 degrees with this cool mist. It flows out of the machine. This DREO TurboCool misting fan, model 765S, is one for big rooms. And the mist is so fine, it is not going to get anybody wet that's standing in front of it. That fine mist evaporates quickly in your room. DREO has made it so easy to operate. On top are manual controls. They also have a remote control, and they have an app to control it. When my room is just the temperature I want, I keep it on level 1. It is completely silent. I can do anything I want. I don't even hear it. Now let's get it on to high. So you press this button on the remote. We're at 1. We can go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the highest level is 12. And look how powerful that is. I'm putting a Kleenex in front of it, and it is, whoa, it would just fly away if I didn't hold it. Look at that, waving and waving and waving. I'm going to put it really close, and I want to show you. It is not getting wet, so it's not going to make your room moist and have extra humidity. That's because the mist is so fine. With this next generation TurboCool ultrafine mist technology, well, it's designed for a non-condensing, zero residue experience. The 765S produces a 17 micrometers ultrafine mist, which is about 3 to 4 times smaller than the average diameter of a human hair. That's how fine this mist is. It's going to evaporate quickly to help keep surfaces dry. And on the app, you can control the humidity. Here's what it looks like. It says the misting fan is on. The temperature of the room is at 69 degrees. The humidity is at 64 degrees. And the target is 65 degrees. So it's pushing out all that fine mist to get to the target humidity that you can control. You can hear how quiet it is at this most powerful high as it's blowing my hair around. It feels so great on a hot day to be next to my TurboCool misting fan. And it's cooling down the whole room. And let me just show you that fan speed. It's at 15.6 miles per hour. And I turn the fan and oscillate, so we see it moving from side to side. So the whole room is getting that fan speed. And on high, it would only take 10 minutes to fill a whole family room like this room. And here I have a temperature monitor reader, and we see the room is at 66 degrees, which is so accurate. It lines up perfectly with what the app and what the room is set at for temperature. On a hot day, I wanted it set to 66 degrees, and that's just what it did. And the soft white noise sound it makes is great for relaxing or doing some reading. Any activity, it's not going to disturb you. And it's sure not going to wake the baby when it's on. I took a decibel reader out to show you the decibel level of sound during all these different levels. At level 2, the decibel reads 34 decibels, and that is as quiet as a whisper. Level 3 is just slightly above the whisper. And here we are going up to the different levels. You can see level 4 is super quiet, level 5 is super quiet, and so forth. When you get up to 50 decibels, that's what a quiet conversation sounds like, or the sound of a quiet refrigerator in the kitchen. Then when we get up to level 12, that's the highest level. And you had seen me, and we never even heard it when I was standing in front of the machine at 12 talking to you. There was no sound. But with my test, I was not even hearing it at 50 decibels as I was reading my book. My microphone is on. Fans are really popular ways of cooling down homes, but they don't really cool it. They just move around the hot air. In hot weather, traditional fans are essentially circulating the warm air, so the cooling effect is very limited. But with the DREO TurboCool outdoor misting fan, model 765S, It's going to deliver fast and powerful cooling with up to a 10-degree temperature drop and wide airflow coverage. And with the app, you can cool your house before you even come home from work from your app anywhere in the world. Isn't that great? Or right before the kids come home from school. You can have them be in a cool room in your home during the hot heat of summer. The app has so many functions I'll show you later in this video. This misting technology is absolutely cutting edge. It is ultrasonic mist with a frequency of 1.7 megahertz, 25 millimeters, and the mist range is up to 4 feet. I turned the lights off and put a blue light on it because I wanted to show you with this special lighting technique, the ultra-fine small size of those droplets. The technical size of those droplets is 17 micrometers. Well, what that means in fractional inches, it is 1/1500th of an inch. It's not going to put a drop on your clothing or a drop on your skin. That's how fine the misting is. It immediately evaporates to cool down your room. DREO has created this special type of misting fan with an airflow for that mist to go out. The maximum air velocity on high level is actually 32 feet per second. That's the pushing of the air. That's why it can cool down a big room in 10 minutes. Oscillation angle is 90 degrees. That's how much it's going to go back and forth. And if it hits your targeted humidity range, it'll stop misting. They also make a smaller model, which is really great to have in a bedroom. And with the magic of summer and the heat of the summer, I absolutely need my DREO TurboCool misting fan. This is model 516S. The remote I keep right by my bedstand and I turn it on. And here I've just turned it on the fan because sometimes that's all I need. But let's get the mist going. And so with the remote, you can turn the mist on. And that's what I need in the hottest of summers. It's pointed straight at the camera. Here it is coming straight out, but I want it to oscillate. And the lower button on the remote is great because you can press that for your oscillation. I'm going to turn it off now, but let's listen to the silence of my bedroom and hear how quiet this fan can be. I'm turning it on, and with it on high, this is as loud as it is, which is like white noise in the background. There's a lot of people like to sleep to white noise. It is at 77%. Let's turn it down. This is level 1, and I'm getting that 77% of mist coming out into the room. Now let's go to level 2, and I can barely hear that sound. Now let's go to level 3. It's a little louder. Level 4, I can hear that. Level 5 with more fan power and all that mist coming out, I can hear that. And this is the highest level, level 6. And depending on how hot your day is, you can choose what level you want your misting fan to blow at. I don't know about you, but I have a hard time sleeping when it's hot. This bedroom that I'm sleeping in is facing south. I get the hottest of the heat coming right into this room of my house, which is on the 2nd floor, and facing the sun in the hottest part of the day. So this room of my house has always been the hottest. I really need my DREO TurboCool misting fan model 516S to be by my bedside. It makes a huge difference because I don't have an air conditioner in Santa Barbara, California. There's not a lot of need of that except for the hottest days of summer. And now I have my DREO stand side. And now with my DREO TurboCool misting fan right next to my bed, it has made such a difference for me to have a very comfortable, cool night. So I can sleep comfortably all through the night without waking up and sweating from those hot summer days and nights. And for sleep, there's an ultra quiet, comfort, and smart sleep mode. So despite the strong airflow, it'll run quietly and it'll create a great, comfortable, cooled environment for sleeping without any distracting noise in the sleep mode. DREO calls it a turbo wind BLDC motor that is coupled with the hyper silent technology. This is as low as 20 decibels. It is whisper quiet with high velocity cooling. So, of course, I turn the lights off at night, and then it'll go into an ambient light, and there's all these different choices. I'm showing you the different colors you can have your room at while it's working at night. I turn the lights off so you can see all that. Isn't that beautiful? That It's just an extra feature. And the oscillation for this tabletop model is 150 degrees that it oscillates horizontally. Here's that demonstration. That'll get the whole room. And this is the tilt. It's able to tilt 30 degrees, 20 on the top and 10 degrees down. You can aim it right at you or away from you to have the mist slowly flow on you to cool you, however you like it. Here you're seeing it. I've got a mirror next to it so you can see the reflection of it oscillating back and forth to get the whole room. And notice there are no droplets on the mirror. It's not fogging up the mirror. And the DREO TurboCool misting fan is also compatible with smart home platforms like Alexa and Google. Check this out. Alexa, turn my fan on.
Okay.
And now this. Alexa, make my fan oscillate.
Got it.
Alexa, turn off mist on my fan.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off oscillation on my fan.
Okay.
Alexa, turn my fan up to the highest speed.
Okay.
And she does. We can hear the fan, and it is on the highest speed. Amazing. When you order your DREO TurboCool misting fan, this is the tall model, the 765S. It comes right to your door. I put it on my kitchen floor. Now let me open the box for you. And this is how it comes packaged. I'm taking it out layer by layer so you can see the detail of how great the packaging design is so nothing gets damaged during shipping. I took everything out of the box, and this is how it comes wrapped. All on those placemats on my kitchen floor. They wrap everything very securely. It has a styrofoam platform on the base of it. There will be some assembly to it. I've taken the plastic wrap off. Here is a user guide with a QR code, and with that, it tells you how to set it up very simply and quickly. Illustrations are easy to understand, and so is what they wrote next to the illustrations. Here's the back of it. Here's the remote. Comes with 2 batteries already, 2 AAAs. Here is the base, and in it is taped hardware. So I'm going to take it, I place it on the styrofoam at an angle, and I take off the plastic and the hardware. And I'm showing you the bottom of it where the hardware is going to go. It comes with 3 little screws, and each of the screws is going to fit in to connect the base to the bottom of the fan. It's so easy. It takes 5 minutes to do this. And I'm showing you exactly how you'll do this. It has the directions, but I wanted to show you in this video how I did it. After you place it on, then you screw it in with a Phillips head screwdriver. And that finally connects the base to the tower fan. On the bottom is where the tank is. It has a little yellow tab. You're going to pull that up, pull the tank out. There's even directions for the tank detachment right there on the side. There's a direction. Don't fill past the max line. And there's the max line. They show you where that is. Inside the tank are some more parts. Efficient packaging. I took them all out of the tank. Now this is going to go in the tank. This is part of the misting mechanisms. It tells you this side up. When you place it back in, it's going to help operate the misting mechanisms. It goes down the bottom, but I want to show you some more detail of what this misting item is and how it fits in. I just thought the detail was great, so I pulled it back out to show you. Now here we go. It's already back in there. Now we're going to fill it up with water. Just takes normal tap water. Filled it in my sink, and my finger is showing you where the max line is. Hard to see on camera, but that's where it was. So now it's filled. You see, it's about 4 inches below the top that you fill it. Has a handle, makes it easy. I placed it in, pushed down the handle, and it clicked in very easily. On the top, I took off the anti-scratch plastic seal, and here's the cord. It is a 2-prong normal USA outlet cord. I plugged it in. It lit up. Now here is the app. You download the app. You create your account. It's like any normal app. I'm just going to show you quickly going through all the menus of it. Quickly, it finds your device. So I added the device to the app. It connected the device. That was easy. I kept going through the menus, and immediately it showed my room temperature. It was 77 degrees that day in my kitchen where I was setting this up. On the app, there's lots of different features. You can choose how high you want your misting and what your target humidity would be. The current humidity was 46 degrees in my kitchen. You can target all the way up to 90 if you wanted to. It also has the fan. You can also set it for as long as you want it on. That was interesting. Maybe you just want it on for an hour and then you want it to go off automatically. You can do that. The fan is so customizable, and it has instructions and articles to find out more right there on the app. It also goes through and tells you how to clean it over time. You can create shortcuts to presets you like. It was an easy app to understand. This is the home page of what the app looks like. And just like that, you're set up. And what a beautifully designed cooling appliance for any decor. What an amazing series of fans that DREO has come out with this mist to cool your whole house like never before. Click the link below to get your DREO TurboCool misting fans. They're right there in the description box. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is a cool recipe with DREO, with their new technology in their misting fans. Never seen this before. This is awesome. If you like this video, here's more over there, including some of my summer recipes. Just click